The 2026 Kenworth T2000 is no longer just a truck. It is now a fully equipped motorhome built for life on the road, designed for comfort, functionality, and independence. This motorhome includes a front kitchen, a full bedroom, and a separate bathroom or study area, all within the spacious extended cab. Asterisk, as you enter, the front section features a compact yet complete kitchen. The induction cooktop allows fast, safe cooking with minimal energy use. A stainless steel sink with filtered water is built into the countertop. A compact refrigerator and a microwave are installed below and above the counter space. Overhead, cabinets and under-counter drawers provide space for utensils, dry food, and cookware. Asterisk, the kitchen design ensures that meals can be prepared anytime, anywhere. Morning coffee, hot meals, and even light baking are possible inside the truck. The ventilation system ensures that no odors linger and fresh air flows continuously. Asterisk, moving further inside. The middle section is a dedicated bedroom. The sleeping space includes a full-size memory foam mattress set within a frame that allows storage underneath. Small side shelves hold personal items, while integrated reading lights and USB charging ports are placed within arm's reach. A privacy curtain separates the bedroom from the rest of the cab. Asterisk, mounted on the opposite wall, is a smart LED display for entertainment or route updates. Adjustable mood lighting and a quiet climate control system make the sleeping environment restful in any weather. The sound-insulated walls block out road noise and vibrations, ensuring deep, uninterrupted rest. Asterisk, at the rear of the motorhome is the math room, a personal workspace and study area. A fold-down desk is mounted on the side wall, complete with a chair and storage for books, notebooks, or electronics. Above the desk is a small whiteboard for notes, calculations, or planning. The workspace is lit by a focused, adjustable LED study lamp. Asterisk, high-speed satellite internet keeps the math room connected at all times. Laptops, tablets, and other devices can be powered and charged via the built-in USB and power outlets. This area is ideal for doing schoolwork, managing finances, reviewing routes, or working remotely. Noise insulation in this area provides quiet focus for productivity. Asterisk, temperature across the entire interior is managed by a smart heating and cooling system. Airflow, humidity, and temperature adjust automatically based on the time of day and occupancy. Solar panels on the roof charge the battery system during the day, powering appliances and systems throughout the night. Asterisk, the motorhome is also equipped with a full safety system, smoke detectors, a fire suppression unit, gas leak sensors, and 360-degree exterior cameras are standard. All systems are monitored on the central control panel near the math room entrance. Asterisk, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 motorhome runs on hydrogen fuel, offering a range of over 700 miles per tank. Refueling takes under 15 minutes with zero carbon emissions. This vehicle is not only efficient, but environmentally responsible. Asterisk, inside, every inch is optimized. The front kitchen makes food preparation convenient and affordable. The bedroom delivers true comfort and privacy. The math room provides a quiet, productive space for work or study. Asterisk. This is a vehicle designed not just for transport, but for full-time living. No hotels, no shared rest stops, no compromises. Everything needed for the road is built in, organized, and ready. Asterisk, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 motorhome is more than a machine. It's a home, a kitchen, a bedroom, a study, and a command center, all on wheels. Built for those who live where they drive.